What's up everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial on our channel. The first method is force restart. Firstly, press volume up, release, then press volume down, release, and then hold the side power button, release when the Apple logo appears. The second method is draining and recharge battery. Works only if the black screen is caused by low battery. Let the battery drain completely and wait for 10 minutes. Charge the iPhone and then turn it on. No tools needed, and it won't fix hardware or serious software issues. And finally, the third method is using the DFU mode. Most powerful software fix but erases data. Connect an iPhone to a computer or open iTunes. Press the volume up, then volume down and hold the side button until the screen goes black. After 5 seconds, hold the volume down, then the side button for 10 seconds. Release the side button and keep holding the volume down. Screen stays black, DFU mode enabled. Click OK, then restore iPhone. It fixes deeper iOS issues, but it has data loss and complex process. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.